From the portal, you will need to open up the Destiny Library Catalog from the middle under Research. And go ahead and select your school. Olympia High School is under High Schools. Once it opens, you'll see some news and messages at the top. All of these collections here have been curated by the school library. So if you're looking for something specific, say Battle of the Books, you can go directly to the titles within, or you could go down here and browse through some recently added book titles or popular titles. Lastly, of course, you can just type in your search at the top. Let's say there's one here that I'm interested in reading. I'm going to click it to open up more information. At this point, you can click on the login button. And all students should be able to just click on sign in with Google and then select your school address to sign in. That won't work for me because I'm a teacher, so I'm just going to click over here. Once you're logged in, the buttons change. You now have the option to click hold. And once that is available for pickup, you'll receive an email from Mrs. Udo or Mrs. Losh letting you know it's available for pickup time in the North Street lobby from 8 to 4.